The archer's fear. One day, 7 kings decided to attack the younger brother's kingdom. The younger brother got frightened. He called for his brother as he was incapable of protecting the kingdom himself. The elder brother immediately came back. He reassured his brother that he would not let anything happen to the kingdom. Then he took an arrow and scratched a message on it which said, "I, the elder prince, have returned. I will kill you all with one arrow." He shot such an arrow that it fell upon the very middle of a golden dish from which the 7 kings were eating together. The 7 kings were so frightened that they ran away. Thus, without shedding even a drop of blood, the elder brother made the enemy run. Later, the elder brother renounced the world and became an ascetic. The great archer. A king had 2 sons. The elder one became an expert in archery. The king wanted him to become the king, but he refused and made the younger one the king. But one day, one of the servants poisoned the younger brother's ears by saying, "Your elder brother wants to be the king." He believed the servant and sent some men to imprison the elder brother. But the elder brother went away to another country and became a royal archer. He performed great feats with his archery. The king and the people of that kingdom were mesmerized. They praised and gave precious gifts to him. The king became a great fan of his. The elder son's name spread far and wide. He was known as the master of archery. The good advice. A man had 3 daughters. They were very beautiful and noble. They all were of marriageable age. The man was confused. He did not know what kind of groom to choose for each of them. One day, an ascetic came to his house. The man asked him, "Sir, what kind of groom do I choose for each of my daughters? Should he be handsome or noble or virtuous?" The ascetic replied, "Well, good looks never last forever and are of no use. Nobility is not a guarantee that the groom will be noble. The only thing that matters is being virtuous. A man is remembered for his good virtues even after he passes away." The man was pleased with the answer. He thanked the ascetic for his valuable advice. Soon, he chose 3 virtuous grooms for his 3 daughters. Guessing the name. Once, an ascetic found a lotus flower larger than its actual size. He had a doubt that something was in the flower. He found a baby in a lotus flower. The ascetic tended her as his daughter. She became very beautiful over the years. Rumors of her beauty spread far. A king came to seek her hand from the ascetic. The ascetic said, "You can marry her if you can guess her name." The ascetic had named her Ashanka, meaning doubt, as he was not sure what was in the lotus flower. The king agreed. From that day, he kept thinking about the girl's name. One day, the girl gave him a hint, but the king could still not get the answer. Many years passed by. The king was almost going to give up when the girl again gave him a hint. This time the king guessed the name. He told the ascetic, "Her name is Ashanka." The ascetic gave away his daughter as promised to the king. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.